Okay, Amelia's going to do one of our favorite Christmas songs. Christmas, she's going to do it with her Hawaiian implements, or a gourd instrument.
And all through the holiday, we're singing and dancing at home for Mama in the moon, Papa in his mother, pretty like honey, the hair of our heart, sister gathered flowers for a day, brother watched the moon all through the day, to the music boy, began to play, now they open you all have a tables were loaded, plenty of cocoa for me and Sammy. Sleeping out loud, the 8 o'clock started to a pop. It was a really fun cup, had a Christmas twice. Was a night before Christmas, and all through the holiday, we're singing and dancing, and all for Molly Bunny, Mama in her movie, Papa in his mother, treating like honey, yeah, my honey, sister got the flowers for a day, brother was the people all through the day, so the music boy began to play, and they only you are for the tables were loaded, plenty of cocoa, for me and Sammy, steaming hot love, 8 o'clock started until we were up. It was really fun, we had a Christmas tree up, it was really